अनुमान है कि कम से कम 10 करोड़ अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड सेक्टर के कर्मचारी, लेबरर, वर्कर सबको प्रधानमंत्री श्रम योगी मानधन का लाभ मिलेगा और अगले 5 साल में शायद स्कीम के रूप में उभर जाएगा। इसके लिए भी इसी साल हमने स्कीम को लॉन्च कर दिया है और 500 करोड़ रुपए इस स्कीम में जरूरत पड़ने पर हम देने के लिए तैयार हैं। और अधिक राशि लगेगी तो और अधिक राशि भी इसके लिए उपलब्ध करवाई जाएगी। The scheme will also be implemented, as I said, from the current year itself. Our government is committed to reach the most deprived citizens of this country. To this end, the condition of the denotified nomadic and semi-nomadic communities, जो विमुक्त हैं, घुमांतु हैं, अर्ध घुमांतु समुदाय हैं, उनके लिए एक विशेष इस बार सरकार ने उसके ऊपर विशेष ध्यान दिया है। These communities are hard to reach, less visible, and therefore frequently left out. The nomadic and semi-nomadic communities move from place to place in search of a livelihood. The Renke Commission and the Idate Commission have done commendable work to identify and list these communities. A committee under Niti Aayog will be set up to complete the task of identifying denotified, nomadic and semi-nomadic communities not yet formally classified. Our government will also set up a welfare development board under the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, especially for the purpose of implementing welfare and development programs for denotified, nomadic and semi-nomadic communities. The board shall ensure that special strategies are designed and implemented to serve these hard-to-reach communities. ये बोर्ड जो बनाया जा रहा है, वेलफेयर डेवलपमेंट बोर्ड, ये एक प्रकार से समुचित विकास कैसे हो इस वर्ग का, उसकी चिंता करेगा और इन सभी योजनाओं को इम्प्लीमेंट करने में उन तक लाभ पहुंचाने का काम करेगा। वुमेन्स डेवलपमेंट टू वुमेन-लेड डेवलपमेंट, women's development to women-led development. Madam Speaker, in our election manifesto, we had promised that we will transform the quality of life of women in rural India by providing cleaner fuel, for securing the health of every homemaker in rural areas, and to ensure that she does not have to shed tears for cooking food to nourish her family. Our government embarked upon a program to deliver 8 crore free LPG connections under the Ujjwala Yojana. इसके अंतर्गत अभी तक 6 करोड़ मुफ्त कुकिंग गैस कनेक्शन दे जा चुके हैं। अगले वर्ष तक पूरे 8 करोड़ हो जाएंगे और देश में हर परिवार को अच्छी कुकिंग की सुविधा उपलब्ध कराने का जो माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी का दृढ़ निश्चय था, उसको हम पूरी तरीके से लागू करेंगे। Ujjwala is a remarkable success story of our government's program, defined by a bold yet practical vision of a responsible and compassionate leadership. More than 70% of the beneficiaries of Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana are women who are getting affordable and collateral-free loans to start their own businesses. Amongst many measures, benefits of maternity leave of 26 weeks and Pradhan Mantri Matru Vandana Yojana for pregnant women have provided financial support to women while empowering them to participate in work. Empowering youth to fulfill their potential. India is amongst the most youthful nations in the world. Through Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana, over 1 crore youth are being trained to help them earn a livelihood. We have harnessed Yuva Shakti through self-employment schemes, including Mudra, Startup India and Stand Up India. Under Mudra Yojana, 15.56 crore loans have been disbursed, amounting to 7,23,000 crore rupees. पूरी दुनिया में स्वयं रोजगार की कल्पना अब बदल रही है और रोजगार की भी कल्पना बदल रही है। अब सिर्फ सरकारी नौकरियां और कारखाने में ही रोजगार उत्पन्न नहीं होता है। जॉब सीकर आज जॉब क्रिएटर बन गया है। India has become the second largest hub of startups. We are proud of the hard work. Take the benefits of artificial intelligence and related technologies to the people. A national program on artificial intelligence has been envisaged by our government. This would be catalyzed by the establishment of the National Center on Artificial Intelligence as a hub along with centers of excellence. 9 priority areas have been identified. A national artificial intelligence portal will be developed soon. Empowering MSMEs and traders. सरकार ने करोड़ों को रोजगार देने वाले MSME सेक्टर को सशक्त करने के लिए कई प्रभावी कदम उठाए हैं। हाल ही में सिर्फ 59 मिनट्स में 1 करोड़ तक के ऋण की योजना शुरू की गई है। GST रजिस्टर्ड SME इकाइयों को 1 करोड़ के इंक्रीमेंटल लोन पर अब 2% ब्याज की छूट मिलेगी। सरकारी उपक्रमों में SME से सोर्सिंग की आवश्यकता को बढ़ाकर 25% कर दिया गया है। Out of this, the material to the extent of at least 3% will be sourced from women-owned SMEs. Government e-marketplace, GEM, created by our government 2 years ago, has transformed public procurement by making it fully transparent, inclusive and efficient. MSMEs have an opportunity to sell their products through GEM. Transactions of over 17,500 crore rupees have already taken place, resulting in an average saving of 25 to 28% when purchased from GEM. The GEM platform is now being extended to all central public sector enterprises. We have focused on supporting domestic trade and services. Our government has recently assigned the subject of promotion of internal trade, including retail trading and welfare of traders and their employees, to the Department of Industrial Policy and Promotion, which will now be renamed as the Department for Promotion of Industries and Internal Trade.